Welcome back to another tutorial on SQL. This is Srinath Mukamala and you are watching the latest tutorial on SQL. Today we are going to learn about select top class. Select top class is used to specify the number of records to return. So let's go to the SQL and verify the same. So I already have a table here. You can see the number of rows here. So now my condition is I need a top 3 rows. I'll put the select top 3 from department table. So I'll put a star here. So now if I run this, I got top 3 rows. Now my condition is like I want by using percent. So let's see that also. Select top 60% from departments. So let me run this now. I think somewhere there is an error. Let me see that. Top 60 of percent. Okay, I didn't give what I need. Okay, I need a name. I forgot that, sorry. So let me run this now. So in the place of name you can give an entire table by using star or a particular column. See, I hope you understand the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Thanks for seeing the video. Bye.